AI is changing the way people make money online. Right now, thousands of beginners are using simple AI tools to earn $50 to $100 per day from their laptop. And the best part? You don't need coding skills, expensive software, or years of experience. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help beginners start making money in 2026. AI writing. The first tool is ChatGPT. This AI can write blog articles, social media posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts. Many businesses need this type of content every day. You can offer AI content writing services on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Some freelancers charge $10 to $50 per article. That means just 2 to 3 clients per day can reach $100 daily income. AI image generation. The second tool is Midjourney. This AI creates professional images from simple text prompts. People use it to create book covers, social media graphics, thumbnails, digital art. No? You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, print-on-demand stores. Some creators make hundreds of dollars per week selling AI art. AI design tool. Next is Canva. Canva now has AI features that help create logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, marketing graphics. Millions of small businesses need graphics every day. You can create designs in minutes and sell them as services or templates. Some freelancers charge $5 to $30 per design. With just a few orders per day, reaching $100 daily income is very possible. AI video creation. Another powerful opportunity is AI video creation. Tools like Pictory can turn text into full videos. You can create YouTube videos, marketing videos, TikTok content ads for businesses. Many companies need videos but don't know how to create them. You can charge $20 to $100 per video project. Just one client per day could reach your $100 goal. AI copywriting. The fifth tool is copy.ai. This tool helps write ads, email marketing sales pages, product descriptions. Businesses spend a lot of money on marketing content. If you offer AI copywriting services, you can easily charge $20 to $100 per project. AI is creating one of the biggest online money opportunities in history. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, any beginner can start building an online income stream today. The key is simple. Pick one tool, learn it, and start offering services. If you stay consistent, reaching $100 per day is absolutely possible.